Alright, let's make a video. Anyway, got my S8 in a rugby defender case. I don't know, to my stupid little tripod here. Anyway, it's still sprinkling. It's been raining all day, people. Gotta love it. I think it's Cristobal is the name of the storm. It's down. It's actually, I'm in Hoboken, Georgia, which is on the east coast of Georgia, southeast. And the storm is hitting over around New Orleans. And right now we're looking at 2 3/4 inches, at least. Somewhere in there. Back there. The timber company's property. This is mine. I'm a little wet. Ha ha. So I say. Anyway, my problem I'm beginning to notice is that their rows run towards my property, and if you look, I'm on the downhill slope here, folks. So basically, what that's going to mean is that when it rains like this around here, guess where all their water is wanting to come to? You guessed it, my property. Oh, I now understand. My mom used to tell me a few times that, hey, it's flooding. Oh, you're kidding me. But now I understand that, yeah, it is. So when we get big rains, it hits their rows where their trees are out there. It wants to come, of course, over here on my side of the property. Actually, let me get over here where I can show you better. Right there, okay. This is my side. Got kind of a little ditch here. And yes, it's got water. But then you look over, there's their side. Look at all them rows. Where are they pointed? Right at my property. Ain't that cool? Not. So I'm going to ask them nicely if they can put me a fire break in over there on their side, kind of like this ditch is here on my side. But I want them to take their water and run it down to the bottom. I got frogs. They're making noises. I think my frogs are drowning. We got so much water. I don't know if you can tell it down there in the back. It's going to be hard to get down there. I need to get me some mud boots. Let's go down here and look. That water is flowing, people. I can see that now. Look at this. This water here, it is running out of the ends of those rows. I can see it. I can look at here. Here's a classic example right here. Look at this. This is flowing out of those tree rows. They ain't got nowhere to go. They're seeking lower land. And look at that. Almost sounds like a babbling brook. That water is moving into here. See if I can get down here a little closer. I don't think so. Look at how the water has built this little dam-like thing up down here. Let's go over here. We'll wade through this a little bit here, folks. Yes, a lot of water. Oh, God damn, mosquito. They would be out. You look down there, you see that water is flowing. It's coming right out of over here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to talk with them. It's a heck of a flood down there, folks. That's pretty impressive. I need to get them to plow me a fire break down through here. Blast all their water down to the swamp back there. Yeah, I don't want to put in a doggone creek. Is what that looks like. I'm sorry I can't get much better. Let's see if I can. It's pretty much wet down here. So I need to get me some rubber boots. And I can go down in here. There we go. There's what she looks like. Looks like a river almost, don't it? Look at it over here. It's impressive, isn't it? I said, it's draining off their property onto my property. I'm not going to complain much, but it does look cool, huh? It's trying to build a road down here, through here, basically. Oop, my brother's here. We're trying to make a perimeter road around the property. The silver post down there is my property line. But looks like I got a river. All right. We'll call this one quits for now. Let me go see how he's doing. He just got in from Alabama. Stupid camera.